Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a video tutorial that it's about Linux administration system. I'm going to show you some commands that every system administrator in Linux must know, and this command is list off, and this video tutorial is going to be uploaded to the ProTech channel on YouTube. And so let's get started. So here's my Kali Linux virtual machine installed on MacBook Pro, and I'm gonna show you right now how to use ls of command that stands of list open file. So if you run this command without any argument, it's gonna give you a whole list of open files in your computer. So basically it's going to give you all the open files that are open right now in your Linux machine. So you can see there are a lot of files open. So, and here you can see the columns. Right here we have the command column that's going to display the name of the command that it's running right now, his ID, and is running as a root under this directory. That is the root. The name of the root is right here, its name, and which node it's running off. And this particular command, it's you can find out in the second node of your file system, Linux file system. Okay. The second one, I'm going to show you guys what the lsof can do. You can find out, so you can find which process have open files in your Linux machine. So how are you gonna do that? Just let me type for you ls-off, and you can give a path name that's gonna be long, and you can give here the argument all that's going to display all the files that are all the processes that have open files right now in your log directory. So this command has open files as a root, and is this file right here. And what this process does to this file, you can see it right here by this W. See this W, 5W? That means this small w means that this process is writing to this particular file. So this is how you can find or the open files of a process, or you can type directly log, and you can pass these right here. The name of the file says log, so you can see by who it's running. It's opened this file. So here we can see this file here. It's opened by this command, this process. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's move to the next command. Next command is how to find all files that the process has opened. So that means how to find that this process have which files does this process has opened. So it's going to be off, and we need to put a -b, and we need to give to the list of the ID process of the command. So in our case it's 353, and now we can see here all the files that are opened by this process. Okay, and all these files are right here. Very useful command, right? Okay, let's move on, guys. And the next one I'm going to show you is how to find the source code of this process. So you see this little txt file directory right here. It means that whenever you see this, it tells you that in this directory is the binary code of this process. So you can type this of dash p, you can dash p and give the number, the ID of the process, and then you can grab even txt. Oh, sorry. It's going to give you, you're going to grab this one here. So it's going to say that this process, the binary code of this process is located under this directory. Or you can do the other thing. So you can grab directly the bin. It's going to give you the same result. So you can see that this process, the source code of this process is under this directory. So you can go there to this directory and see all the source code of this process. You can modify it or do whatever you want. And the next one, guys, that I want to show you is which shared libraries has a process opened. I mean, which shared library this process has opened. So to do that, we're gonna type ls off, and we're gonna give the ID of the process and just grab the extensions of the shared libraries, that is .so. So we can see that all the shared libraries that are opened by this process right here. Okay. The next one I want to show you is which file does user X have open. I mean, you can show whatever user which files and he has open. I mean, so we're gonna check now what files are open by this user, by the root user. So to do that, you can it's off and put the username. So I'm gonna put root, and you can see here all the files that are running are opened by the root user. It's very powerful, right? And I think the last one, guys, for you is how to check which process is listening on a port X. I mean, just, you can see which process is listening to the port 80 or TCP port, protocol. To do that, we're gonna use this off, and you can give right here the port, and you can see right now that in port 80 I'm running Apache, and it's listening in this port TCP. You can do rather, you can give protocol TCP. It's going to give you the same results. So this command, what it does, it tells the sof to look for TCP open ports. Okay, So if I shoot down Apache, service Apache to stop, and if I run the same command again, it happened nothing because I don't have any other program purchase listening on TCP or port 80. See, but if I start Apache again, start, yeah. And if you run the command again, you can see that they are running TCP port. Okay, guys, that's all for today. And I think I'm gonna make a video series for the Linux system administration. But let me see first, okay? That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy the video and see you next.